Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to shut down, so first save and close any files. This prevents data loss. Make sure the charger is connected if battery is low because updates or background sync can be interrupted. Once saved, sign out or lock the screen so personal sessions end cleanly. Now locate the system tray at the bottom right. You'll use it next to initiate a proper shutdown rather than forcing power off, which keeps the file system intact. Open the system tray by clicking the time and battery area. This exposes the quick settings and the power option. Choose shut down or power off and wait. The Chromebook will close apps, sync data, and unmount storage to avoid corruption. Make sure you see the screen go black before assuming it's off. If the tray or UI is frozen, press and hold the power button for about 2 to 5 seconds to force a shutdown. But note this is a last resort step because it skips graceful shutdown routines. After the screen goes black and any LEDs are off, you can close the lid or fold the Chromebook. This ensures internal components stop active tasks. Unplug USB devices and the charger to prevent wake events. If the device refuses to power off, do a hard reset, press refresh and tap power, or hold power for 10 seconds on some HP models. This reboots firmware and clears temporary hangs. If problems persist, check for
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.